One is not understood to have controlled the senses unless he has controlled the tongue.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
They actually have enough supply of vegetables and vegetarian food, but out of greed they want to taste everything and anything. So because of greed only, people eat meat, and in this way, just for the tongue, the sake of the tongue, they undergo unlimited pain in the hell. So the karma is like that. So we don't pay upfront. Like a credit card, we pay later, and the compound interest is unbearable. So first we are given the tongue first, and then as we use it, then we have to pay later. So like a credit card. So when we are using it, we will not find the pain. It is enjoyable, so-called enjoyable. It's a very low-class enjoyment to eat meat, but there is also a kind of enjoyment for the people in the mode of ignorance, tamogunam. So for those there is enjoyment, but then when it comes as hellish punishment, then it's too late that time. It's just regret. It cannot be mended at that time. Atyahara. So in the nectar of instruction, first verse, Vacho vegam manasa krodha vegam jihva vegam. So the tongue is very greedy for two things, Vacho vegam and jihva vegam. Vacha also done by the tongue, and jihva means especially in the eating sense. Two things is very greedy, using the speech for unnecessary topics and using the eating for unnecessary food. So vacho vegam, vegam means the urge of speech and eating. Vacho vegam manasah krodha vegam jihva vegam mudharopastha vegam एतान वेगान्यो विषहेत धीरा सर्वामपि माम पृथिवीं सशिष्यात्. Is the first verse. Jihva means tongue. A sober person who can tolerate the urge to speak, the mind's demands, the actions of anger and the urges of the tongue, belly and genitals is qualified to make disciples all over the world. This is the urge of the tongue. If one can control it, then he is called Goswami. One is not understood to have controlled the senses unless he has controlled the tongue. This is from the 11th 8:20 of Bhagavatam. Indriyani jayantyashu nirahara manishinah varjayitva tu rasanam tannirannasya vardhate. By fasting, learned men quickly bring all the senses except the tongue under control. Because by abstaining from eating, such men are afflicted with an increased desire to gratify the sense of taste. Tavajjitendriyo na syad vijitanyendriyah puman najayedrasanam yavajjitam sarvam jite rase. This is very important. Although one may conquer all of the other senses, as long as the tongue is not conquered, it cannot be said that one has controlled his senses. However, if one is able to control the tongue, then one is understood to be in full control of all the senses. Therefore, the whole spiritual life or the path of death, path to hell or the path to liberation, starts with tongue.